This is MDF, and this is HDF-HMR. HDF-HMR is also referred to as HD-HMR at times. If you think that these two look similar, that's because they do share a few things in common. Both these are engineered woods made from wood fibers pressurized and heated to form a panel. But that's where the similarities end. If these two were brothers, HDF-HMR would be that annoyingly handsome, taller, stronger brother with a perfect set of teeth, a head full of hair who speaks 6 languages and always gets the girl. That's right. HDF-HMR is the better of the two. Let's delve into the abbreviations for more clarity. MDF stands for Medium Density Fiberboard. HDF-HMR stands for High Density Fiberboard, High Moisture Resistance. It is basically harder, denser, stronger, and way more water resistant than MDF. No, don't get me wrong. MDF is an amazing material. We use it extensively, and we have a dedicated video on it that you should watch if you haven't already. HDF-HMR is an evolution of MDF. Like MDF, it has no knots or grains. It is a smooth surface that is easy to paint, stain, or press veneers and laminates onto. But unlike MDF, with the use of a different resin and a unique pressurization process during manufacturing, HDF-HMR is far more water resistant. This makes it ideal for long-lasting application across parts of the house that are exposed to water, like your kitchens, your bathrooms, wardrobes, doors. Now, this may not come as a surprise to you, but a denser, more water-resistant material is going to be more expensive than regular MDF. Our Aquabloc and Antibubble technologies transform the core materials and increase their water-resistant properties. To know more about that, go watch the videos we made on those two technologies. That's about it for now. HDF-HMR, denser, stronger, and more water-resistant than MDF.
So you have a brother?
Yeah. Short guy, balding.
Hold on, thank you.